Students, we have Mandava Kartikeya with us, scored 690 this year, first attempt. He's from Hyderabad and he had joined our Achievers batch. I want to discuss bunch of things with him. But Mandava, first thing which I want to know from you is which colleges are you targeting?
I'm targeting for AIMS Bhubaneswar, AIMS Bhopal, Jodhpur, Seth GS Medical College in Mumbai, and a few of my state colleges.
Okay, but probably at your rank. So what is your rank at 690, Mandava?
I'm getting 451 in All India General.
So if you're going to go through All India Counseling, you'll probably end up signing up there and you'll not get an opportunity to opt for your state colleges, right?
Yes, sir.
Huh. Good. So, Kartika, tell me this thing. Were you expecting this score or you were expecting better?
I was actually expecting a little better score. Unfortunately, couldn't score a little higher.
All right. So if someone would ask you, what are the three most important things which everyone who's preparing for NEET should be careful about, what would be your answer?
Uh, First thing is that NCRT should be the main book since we saw that all the questions are from the NCRT textbook. You should also have a consistent study time of at least 8 hours to 10 hours every day, and never be demotivated after a test result since it will waste your time and you will be pushed back in your progress.
Did you ever get motivated after any test?
Yes, I used to get a lot demotivated in the beginning days of my preparation journey. Whenever I used to get less marks, I used to be sad for 1 day or 2 days, and it used to waste my time basically.
Okay. Now, tell me this thing. You joined our Achievers batch, practiced a lot of questions. So I want to show this to everyone. So this is Kartikeya in front of you, and he was solving a bunch of questions from our platform. So if you look at this, and he joined twice. So what he did was, though it is his first attempt, when we first launched the question bank in 2020, he joined. Then he joined again for 2021. 17,000 questions solved. So, what did you like about this question bank, Kartikeya?
The questions were majorly from NCRT, and even if there was anything extra to learn in the topic, all of them used to be covered. So it was a complete package.
And you practiced a lot of tests as well. We see 295 tests, but a lot of tests are target or DPP tests. So, what is the reason for that, Kartikeya?
I used to read any topic from NCRT, my modules coaching ones, and used to practice questions wherever I can find them. Whenever find any of my concepts weak, to strengthen my confidence in the topic, I used to generate lots of DPP on them.
Okay, you would
So
generate a lot.
I ended up giving some DPPs.
Yeah. So one thing which we try and work very hard with students, but it is not easy. When you said consistent studies 8 to 10 hours a day, what is your secret of being able to do it?
It's just training your mind to do it. It will be difficult in the beginning. It was difficult even for me, but doing it for many months together, you will become very habituated to it. Without doing any extra hard work also, you will be able to study for 8 hours if you start training your mind to do consistent.
So what would be your day? What would your day look like? When did you sleep? When did you get up? What would be the study slots? Tell us about that.
I used to sleep at around 11 o'clock at night. Uh, in 11th class, I used to wake up at around 5:30 or 6 because
Okay.
our college used to start at 6 o'clock in the morning.
Okay.
So I had to go for the classes. They used to end at around 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And in our college, we used to have something called study hours. So they used to make us sit and study for some number of hours, and then we could go home.
This is after
So
1 o'clock. You have these study hours are after one
yes, sir.
o'clock.
After the classes were over, we used to have study hours. These were good
They would
because
also give you food.
yes, sir, they used to give us food. Uh, in study hours, we used to sit with our friends and study. We used to discuss topics and stuff and study on our. We used to go home and again study. I used to study till 10:30 and sleep by 11.
Understood. Very good. So students, Karthik in front of you, 690 score. So what he is trying to tell you is consistency is important, not going to come easy. 8 to 10 hours of study daily. Do not feel demotivated. There would be times when you'll not perform well in the test. But so you would do analysis of the test after you would not do well.
Yes, I'll analyze every single test. I will. I even have an error notebook to write down all the mistakes I have done in an exam. I'll see whether it's a silly mistake, conceptual mistake, or memory loss or something. If it's a memory loss, I'll go again and read the topic. Silly mistakes can only be avoided with more practice.
Correct.
And if I have any conceptual problem, I'll go to my teachers and clarify them.
Good. Okay. And once you have done your analysis, then the demotivation would go. Then you would have the path to move forward. What do you need to do next, right?
Yes.
Very good. Kartika, this is fantastic. Hopefully, students will pick up some of the things that you have said. Congratulations. Hopefully, you'll get AIMS Bhubaneswar and we'll get an opportunity to meet in person sometime soon.
Thank you, sir.